Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to be talking about a duty of a father with regards to rights and maintenance. Due to customary traditions or obstacles imposed by mothers and her family, the greatest challenge that an unmarried father faces is being denied access to his children. By the implementation of the Children's Act, out-of-date and gendered power relations within marital and parental relationships may be a thing of the past. Despite the steps forward, unmarried fathers and married fathers, however, still receive different types of parental rights. Due to customary traditions followed by most South Africans before the Children's Act was introduced, a biological father was not automatically entitled to parental rights and the responsibilities for a child born out of wedlock. Thus, many children had no idea who their father was. In Section 22 of the Children's Act, this act introduced a flashpoint by outlining certain requirements that a biological father needs to meet to be granted parental rights and responsibilities over his minor children born out of wedlock. The requirements for a biological father is as follows. The biological father lived with the biological mother in a permanently committed relationship at the time of the child's birth. Or, no matter whether the biological father has lived with the mother or is living with her, he must either consent to be identified or successfully apply for identification as the child's father, or pay damages as per customary law. For a reasonable period, the biological father contributes to the upbringing of the child and the expenses associated with the maintenance of the child or the attempts to contribute in good faith. It is the father's responsibility to raise and care for the child equally with the mother, married or not, including joint decisions of the children's upbringing, safety, and treatment. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll speak to you soon.